Today, we've got 3 amazing portable washing machines that will totally change the way you do laundry, especially if you're working with limited space. Whether you're in an apartment, dorm, or RV, these compact washers are here to make your laundry day easier, faster, and more convenient. Let's jump right into it. First up, we have the Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer. This is perfect for those of you with tight spaces but big laundry loads. It can wash up to 11 pounds of clothes at once, which is impressive for a portable washer. The design is sleek, with a transparent lid, so you can actually watch your laundry get cleaned. Plus, it has 6 different cycles, from normal to delicate, so you can tailor it to whatever you're washing. The stainless steel tub is built to last, and it's rust-resistant, ensuring it stays in great shape for years. The best part? It's super mobile. With rollers and side handles, you can easily move it around the house, whether it's going to the bathroom or even the kitchen. The water level is adjustable and you can choose from hot, warm, or cold settings, which is awesome for different laundry needs. Plus, there's a 24-hour delay start if you want a laundry ready at a specific time. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about the Comfee portable washing machine. This little guy is compact but packs a punch. It's only 0.9 cubic feet, so it's perfect for really tight spaces like small apartments, dorms, or even RVs. Despite the size, it has 5 wash cycles and 3 water levels, making it versatile for different laundry needs. You can even customize the wash settings, which is awesome for getting the best results based on the load size. It has a see-through lid, so you can monitor your laundry as it's washing, and the LED display shows you exactly how much time is left, so you're never left guessing. And when it comes to durability, the rust-resistant steel tub and powerful motor make it reliable and long-lasting. Oh, and don't forget, it's super energy efficient, saving up to 87.5% energy compared to similar models. Plus, with wheels and handles, moving it is a breeze. Last, but definitely not least, we have the Costway portable washing machine. This is a twin tub design that combines both a washer and a spinner in one. It's perfect for people who want to save time and do their laundry in one go. The washer has a 12 pounds capacity, and the spinner can handle 8 pounds of clothes, so you can get more laundry done at once. What makes this one stand out is the timer control. You can adjust the washing time up to 15 minutes and the spin time to 5 minutes, which gives you a lot of flexibility based on your laundry load. It's super easy to use. Just set the timer and let it do its thing. The whole machine is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for smaller spaces, and it even comes with a filter for added convenience. So there you have it. 3 awesome portable washing machines that will make laundry a breeze, even in the smallest spaces. If you want to check out any of these products, I've left the links in the description box below. And trust me, you'll find exclusive offers and discounts if you decide to make a purchase. One last thing, every product in this video was carefully chosen based on the most popular and highly rated items from top online stores. But hey, if you have any thoughts, disagreements, or suggestions, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more awesome product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.